Okay, this is the ZEISS IKON SMATIC SYNCHRO-COMPUR-X. It's an SMATIC version. So this is the front, one side, the other side, down and up. So let me tune down the lighting, it's too strong. Okay, so show you the functions. Let me take out the thing first. Unfortunately, the light meter doesn't work for this one. So I'll show you the glass. So it fires. But I can't seem to change the aperture. I'm not sure why, but it's stuck. So I can only change the shutter speed and also the focus. So let me show you the shutter speeds for this one. So currently it's bulb shutter mode. So bulb mode, there you go. Let me put down the focus. Okay, now change to 1 second. Okay, 2 seconds. Over 15. One over 30. One over 160. One over 125. Show it from in front. Now 1 over 250 from the front, and 1 over 500 from the back, and from the front. Yeah. So there you go, this is a ZEISS camera. Thanks everyone.